Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have some pretty exciting news that dropped from SHOT Show 2025 this year. RCBS has released its new Matchmaster powder funnel kits. Let's get to it. First off, I would like to say thank you to Joel Hogden and his team at RCBS for sending out these funnel kit systems to me pre-SHOT Show. I've had to hang on to them for a little bit here and not release it too soon, so he had an opportunity to drop it at SHOT Show before I released my video. So thank you to Joel Hogden and your team for sending these over to K2 Defense. Reloading using funnels has just become cleaner, faster, and more precise using the new Matchmaster funnel kit system. This kit comes with a funnel and 6 different adapters. These quality funnels are made from high-strength aluminum with premium anti-static finish and a cool storage case. There's 6 different adapters that come with this kit system. The 5.56, 6, 6.7, 7mm, 7.62mm, and 338. If you'd like to purchase the funnel and adapters singly, you can do that as well. And I believe each adapter is $20. Today we are going to compare RCBS plastic funnel to the Matchmaster funnel kit. Today we're just going to use the regular 5.56 adapter. Now, for the last couple of weeks, I've been running every type of powder through each one of these. Flake powder, ball powder, stick powder. I haven't been able to clog them, and there's no static, so there's nothing sticking to the inside of these funnels. It's truly remarkable. So we'll start off by using ball powder. Plastic funnel. You can see the pour time, and the static is accumulating the powder. Now using the new funnel system, you can see how it pours right through the funnel with no clogging. It pours through faster and there's no static to slow it down. We'll go over to some stick powder. Now, you can definitely tell the difference between the plastic funnel and the new aluminum RCBS Matchmaster funnel. What I would encourage you to do if you would like to see a more in-depth comparison, go to the RCBS website. I'll put it in the description below, and I'll also add links and all that other kind of stuff so you can click on that and you can check that out. It'll show different types of adapters and flow rates with different types of powders, and they go into it a little bit more in depth than I do here, only because I want to get this video out to you guys and let you know that these funnels are truly amazing. You can always tell with RCBS, anything that they make is made out of quality products. The cost for this kit at the time of this video is $99.99. You can find that on RCBS, and I think they're going to get that out on Amazon as well, and hopefully to your local sporting goods store here shortly. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.